Bafowethu, I am back with popular demand. Gine merchandise. Let's heal together with Mama Buma. Thengela usesakho, umkhari bakho, your sister-in-law, your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, your niece. Buy for everyone. This is only 200 Rand to help the channel grow. And a bucket head, 150. Unfortunately, I don't have it on, but we have a bucket head, 150, because we are going to wear this as a movement. Siyofana. We are going to be so alike, and we are going to be beautiful. I've got different colors. There's this color, there's this black, there's white, there's any color basically that you want. You can just tell me which color that you want. As I said, 200 Rand. Bucket head 150, and there's an event. Siyozigcoka kuphi bantwana bekhaya? Siyozigcoka ku-event yokuthoma, my very first event of Let's Heal Together. With who? Myself, Umama Buma. The event itikiti 400 Rand. But please listen carefully. If you buy the merchandise, if you buy the t-shirt, you buy the bucket head, uyobhadala 200 Rand. I hope I make very much sense. Ne? You buy the t-shirt, you buy the bucket head, you pay 200 Rand. Obviously, you can wear your jean, you can wear anything. I'm not choosy. I want us to go in there, being in a movement, sibe happy. Singaloko swara ngama makeup, negcoke ezincane zabo high tea. No, my darling. And on that day, special lady is going to win beautiful pots. Ayokupheka ngazo, ayokuphekela ubaba kwakhe, ayokuphekela umama Zala. Kumnandi la ka Let's Heal Marriages. Help me grow the channel, buy the merchandise, and make sure that you are there on the 25th of April 2026. Ngiyanbawa, please support me and come in numbers. Bring your friend, bring your sister, bring your cousin, bring everyone. Aguna limit. Everyone, your brother, whoever, just come so that we can be spirit-led, so that we can do proper healing. But for it, we need healing as a country, so that we can heal together, so that we can help our marriages and our kids to heal as well. Because when a parent is healed, definitely the child will be healed. Everything will be on the screen, banking details, email, numbers, everything. Please subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Remember to share so that our channel can grow and we reach the highest level in everyone around the globe. See you on the 25th. I can't wait. Bye, yo.